Hello everyone, today's trip is a short one, really short. I really wanted to come check out the conditions of a trail under the high voltage power lines. I haven't been here in maybe 3 years. The last time I came to rescue a couple of stuck jeeps. Anyway, time to see how drivable it is and how the Rover handles it. I invited a couple of companions to join. I've gotten stuck here myself before and I wouldn't want to spend the night here in the forest. Joining me today are the MBD 4x4 Porsche Cayenne and a Honda CRV, tastefully and modestly modified, looking really sharp. From the sound you can tell that Cayenne's rocking a V8 engine, and no turbo is muting that sound. It's pretty epic.
Sargiai dabar atvažiuos futbolinių. Einam į šitą pusę augustai. Bet ten...
Gazą, dar! Nestok!
Jo.
Va, kai praded.
Kaip čia, ta Honda mums yra biški realybės įnešėja, kad net tokiose baisiose vietose įvažinėjam.
Mandras, kai netoli namų.
The beginning was easy. We pushed forward without much trouble until the Cayenne's rear tire popped off. At first I tried LPG gas to remount it, but either the gas wasn't flammable enough or I was doing something wrong.
O kada sustot?
Nežinau.
Bet prieš sprogdinant tą reiks ištraukti, jo.
Luckily I found some stick repellent spray and it blew the tire back on without a problem. Let's move on.
Kurmi.
давай щелк.
Now the Porsche tire thread isn't exactly deep and the traction control doesn't fully turn off. That combo doesn't help in the thick mud. The Cayenne got stuck on what looked like a flat ground, but it's wet and soft here. And if the car won't let wheels spin, there's no way you're moving on forward.
Ai. Čia antipraslydims, man atrodo. Nu ką, važiuojam traukt vargšą Porsche. Panašu, kad buvo antipraslydimas įjungtas ir pakibo ant pilvuko. Nėra gerai antipraslydimas purvynuose, reikia jį būtinai išjungti. Gerai, kad toli nenuvažiavau. Nu ką, ramiai, per purvinėlį.
By the way, I prefer pulling out stuck wheels with a winch instead of a kinetic rope. I like to keep my transmission alive as long as possible.
Viskas? Tai gal dabar paleidžiu tave į variktų?
Once the Porsche was out, it didn't get far. Got stuck again, same place.
Kokie viskas ten buvo daugiai.
Taip, ne.
Be streso.
O kada aš ten važiavau?
Kad įklimpt.
Ai, okei.
Meanwhile, the Honda just cruised around it. Sometimes taking the hardest path isn't worth it. But when you want mud on your side windows, you do what you gotta do.
Labai baisus pagalys. O!
Now we are approaching a more serious obstacle, a heavily flooded field with insanely deep ruts everywhere. We decided I'd be the only one attempting this part. The others have daily drivers for school runs and daycares. Up ahead, some other drivers are going through too, and looks like we're not having the smoothest time either. We only go through puddles this deep, so you hit that subscribe button. So don't be shy.
Опа, опа, опа. Блин.
I made it through the puddle, but not without problems. Halfway through, something happened. The engine computer dropped into failsafe mode. I panicked thinking water had gotten in, especially since everything looked much worse from inside the cab. But under the hood, no blown hoses, and after restarting the Rover a couple of times, it came back to life. I drove ahead to check on the guys in front, offered help, then we decided to head home. I hit the puddle one more time, and this time it went way smoother. The Rover is performing impressively. Just need a swarm to dry a bit, and I'm determined to complete the full trail next time. And hey, if you made it all the way to the end, huge thanks for watching. I really appreciate you sticking through the mud, water and sketchy moments with me. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, there's a lot more coming soon. A full-on touring adventure with over-the tourers, off-roaders and not so off-roaders, all thrown into the mix. Some of them are meant for trails, others, well, not really, but that's what makes it fun. See you on the next one, bye!